Everybody, welcome back to another video on the channel, and today we have a Thanksgiving turkey speed build. Now, this is the turkey brickhead. This will go up on Thanksgiving, so I thought, why not upload a turkey brickhead build? You know, kind of like do like one of those Thanksgiving kind of things like we did for Halloween, and we'll do it for Christmas and all of this. Valentine's Day. We just got like Easter. Yeah, so let's just get right into this. Everybody, I forgot to tell you what's inside. So we have one more. And there we go. Box is closed. Okay, here we have a bag of smaller parts. And then we actually have the instructions here, so now let's get into it. Alright, everybody, the build is done, and it's actually a pretty fantastic build. I really like the tail there, and also the scenery is nice. So guys, thanks for watching, and have a great and fantastic rest of your day, and a great and fantastic Thanksgiving.